I think this is the first one.
Just stand here. Okay. It's about our project.
Well, we have the Tree of Knowledge, and that's, I don't know what to say. I have to think about it first.
It has been a really fun process to see a small idea with a moving apple to this scrapyard where everything is a mess, and the apple is not looking at all like the apple. So it's amazing how ideas can evolve to something else. So.
Well, it started out with an empty black box, an empty stage with nothing but a grid and a couple of lamps, and that's it. And then we went out all over the school in containers and in the basement and gathered all the crap and scrap that we could, all the garbage we could, and attached it to the wall and put some light on it, and that's what we've done.
Yeah.
Jamen, altså som udgangspunkt fik vi jo et oplæg til projektet her. De 2 første uger skulle vi bygge en model, som vi så skulle vælge 3. Vi skulle hver især individuelt bygge en model, og så skulle der så vælges 3 projekter, som skulle bygges. Det vi så valgt i fællesskab, og det er så blevet de 3 projekter, som vi kan se herinde. Og vores hedder Hed.
Vores projekt handler om de 4 elementer, hvor der er nogle dansere, der laver en danseforestilling inspireret af de 4 elementer, og det er en meget abstrakt danseforestilling. Musikken er ret abstrakt, og vi har så skulle projektere noget video op på sådan en stor pyramide, der antager forskellige figurer, alt efter hvad for en...
We have the Tree of Knowledge, and we're making some interaction with sound, and we're making some video for projecting in this play.
It's kind of a story, with Eve and Adam, and then we've twisted it a bit.
And we had great fun in finding out what to project on the screen and do it on a technical basis.
And that's actually what we try to make. So I don't know that there's not actually we don't have an actual storyline.
Okay.
Yeah.
Og vi synes egentlig, det er meget godt i tråd med den historie og den tidslinje, vi har forsøgt at skrue sammen herinde. Det drejer sig om en skrotplads, hvor tingene de bliver skrottet, de bliver simpelthen smidt ud, men der er sådan nogle ting, der stadig fungerer, og det er så det, danserne blandt andet og vores scenografi skal være med til at illustrere. Ja.
Working with the middle room in this ballet mechanic event. Upon this is coming, it is a fabric where all the 4 elements will be reflected by projection. Our workflow was filming all 4 elements from the raw nature or around us. We will try to create the best mood and feelings for our audience.
Hvad for et element, der er på scenen lige på det tidspunkt. Og vi har forsøgt at lave noget lidt abstrakt video med udgangspunkt i de 4 elementer. Det vil sige, at vi har måske optaget nogle grene tæt på, som så skal symbolisere vinden.
I'm responsible for the communication of the sceneries, and it's kind of interesting shooting pictures of what they created and put it in a communication basis. Yeah.
It's interesting because you're allowed to do other things than you are with the other projects.
Altså det er ligesom det, vores stykke handler om.
It's an intriguing theme to work with. It's nice to get out of the house as well, and to work with something that could come up in real life as well. Yes.